The Snoring Tree. Hello, little dreamer. It's Luna. Tonight, I want to tell you about a very special tree. Not just any tree, but a snoring tree. Yes, it's true. Deep in a peaceful forest, where fireflies blink like tiny lanterns, there stands a tall, old tree named Tumbletree. Tumbletree wasn't the tallest or the greenest, but he had one magical secret. When he fell asleep, he snored lullabies. Now his snores weren't loud or scary. They were soft and low, like a song sung by the wind. Hmm, swoosh. Swoosh. Every night, the forest animals would gather around his roots. The bunnies curled beneath the moss. The deer snuggled close to his trunk. Even the squirrels, who never stopped talking, would hush and listen. Because when Tumbletree snored, the whole forest got sleepy. One night, a little raccoon named Rollo couldn't fall asleep. He tossed and turned in his leafy bed. He tried counting stars. He tried drinking warm milkweed tea. But nothing worked. So he tiptoed through the moonlit forest and sat beneath Tumbletree. And just as he snuggled into the moss, the old tree let out a soft, sleepy hum. Swoosh. Rollo's eyes blinked slowly. His breathing matched the rhythm of the tree, and before he knew it, he was dreaming of floating blueberries and dancing mushrooms. Tumbletree snored through the night, humming sleepy songs for all the dreamers nearby. Even the stars seemed to blink a little slower. And when the sun peeked over the hills, the snoring stopped. The tree was quiet again. Still, gentle, peaceful. Rollo woke with a yawn and a smile. He looked up at the great big branches and whispered, "Thank you, Tumbletree." So now, whenever you can't sleep, close your eyes and listen closely. Maybe, just maybe, if the wind is just right, you'll hear Tumbletree's lullaby too. Good night, little dreamer. Sleep well, and let the forest sing you to sleep.